Need help writing a script but not sure how to use ChatGPT for it? You're definitely not alone. Whether it's for YouTube, a podcast, or a presentation, writing can take hours, especially if you're stuck or out of ideas. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With the right prompts, it can help you draft a full, clear, and professional script in just minutes. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss practical AI and tech tips like this. Let's break it down. First, go to chat.openai.com and log in or create a free account. Once you're in, think about what kind of script you need. Be specific. For example, if you want a YouTube script, you could type, write a 3-minute YouTube script explaining how to use Google Drive for beginners. Include an intro, steps, and a closing call to action. ChatGPT will instantly generate a full script. You can then follow up with, make it more casual, or add a joke in the intro, or even rewrite it for a 60-second short. You can also give it your own notes or outline, like, here are my main points, turn them into a script with a hook at the beginning and a call to action at the end. ChatGPT is great at taking rough ideas and polishing them into something smooth, clear, and ready to record. If this helped you write faster, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content creation and AI tips. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.